Buenos dias a todos. I am Margalub G. Atilano from BS Marine Transportation of graduating class of 2024. So why I have chosen this course? I have chosen this course simply because of poverty. Ang struggle po na na-encounter ko po mostly is financial problem. Tatlo po kami magkakapatid at yung nanay ko po ay isang teacher. Siya lang po yung bumuhay po sa amin and yun yung nag-motivate sa akin na kung saan ipagpatuloy itong kursong ito. When I was on my second class, the school gave us an exam. Naipasa ko po ito and along the way, nakapag-training po kami sa Giga Marine Corporation. I was able to get this scholarship for cadetship program. So I have on board 12 months in a container vessel on an international voyage. So, isa na rin po itong factor, the allowance na nakapagtulong sa amin para ma-sustain yung mga pangangailangan namin sa buhay. After this graduation, I'll be taking up my exam for my licensure and hopefully I will be able to pass so that soon I will be joining the vessel as a future third mate. My message to all graduates of ZSMST class of 2024 is that ipagpatuloy lang nila ang laban nila sa buhay. Hindi lagi nasa baba tayo ng ating buhay, aangat din tayo. Kaya patuloy lang sa paglaban. To my co-graduates at CSMST class of 2024, may your futures be bright, your hearts be boundless, and your spirit be forever filled with adventure. Thank you.